Now our express app is running successfully. In this video we are going to see how to run Docker extension in Visual Studio Code. Just open the Visual Studio Code, go to the extension, type Docker. Okay, I have already installed a Docker over here. Once you have installed this, Visual, Visual Studio Code will show you a Docker extension in the menu. You can read the Docker documentation for Visual Studio Code over here. How easily you can run a Docker container in Visual Studio Code itself. Okay, so let's get started with our Docker first Docker app running container. So firstly, I will create an image for Docker. Just type Ctrl Shift P and just type Docker add compose file to workspace. Hit enter. It will ask you platform. Currently I'm using Node.js, so I will choose Node.js. My default package JSON is package JSON and port running on to 3002. Hit enter. No Docker file is present in the workspace. Please add Docker files before adding compose file. Okay, just click on add files. It will create one Docker file and compose file over here. Now you can see our Docker file is created successfully with default structure. I will share the details of these all commands in my next coming videos. We'll see how to build an image now. Just click on Docker files, right click and click on build image. It will create an Docker image for you. We can see the command which is running behind the scene for create a Docker image file. The command is docker image build dash dash pull dash dash file and the name is given. We have given that it has already given the tag labels using that extension. It is very simple to create Docker image using Visual Studio extension. It has already created. It is saying press any key to close it. Just hit enter. It will close the file. Now we can check by going Docker icon. Here is our Docker image for this project is created latest a few seconds ago. Now I want to run this image. So how to run this image? Just right click on it and click on run. For running Docker, this is the command. Now our Docker is running on 3002 port and our Docker image is also so build a Docker container over here. I want to check logs, so just right click and view logs. It will show us if there is any error, then it will log all those error in logs. Let's check whether our app is running on the same port or not. To check, just open, hit enter. It is not running currently. So what is the issue? Just right click run. Again I am running the Docker container. It is showing only one usage. I guess port are not available, exposing port 3002, listening 3002. I guess this port is already used by another resource, so I will take another port for this. I will make changes in my code as well. Okay, now I'll rebuild the image for this. Our image is successfully created. Go to Docker extension, just click on refresh, right click, run the image. I have this image, latest. Okay, now the Docker is running on 3004 port. It's showing is running successfully. Just hit enter. Okay, and just click on view logs. Is there any log? Now our app is successfully created, we can see, and just go in the browser and change our port and hit enter. Now we have see here over here our application is running on Docker container. Like this way you can run Docker in Visual Studio Code easily. In next video we are going to see how to use MySQL in Docker. So keep watching, learning and sharing with KD. Thanks and bye bye.